like setting goals and being productive? In this video, I'm going to share my goal setting spreads and a 1 line a day spread that helps me to be more productive and grateful. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. I have a new free weekly agenda printable for you. I hope you will like it. Please check out the link down below. If you want to watch my April cover page and the calendar setup, please check out my previous video. This month, I'm using my Tender Flow themed journal kit printable. It's a new item in my shop. There are 5 pages in this Tender Flow themed printable. Each page includes different elements such as a whole page of quote designs, weekday stickers, notepads, headers for the titles, cue text, floral design elements, and the patterned papers for your background designs. I like printing these printables on sticker papers, so it will be much easier to stick onto my pages. Here, I'm cutting out all the elements. I put a link for the sticker paper I used in the description if you'd like to check it out. First is my time management schedule tracker. Recently, I watched a lesson in Skillshare called 12 Simple Steps to Doubling Your Productivity by Hakim. In this lesson, Brandon shares a time management worksheet. I think it will help me to be more productive, so I'm including this spread in my April bullet journal, but I made some adjustments to fit more of my own needs. There are 2 big sections: morning ritual and the work and the break ritual. The morning ritual includes exercise, read purpose, visualize ideal life, read and learn, prayer, and the Bible. Work and the break ritual includes 3 uninterrupted work period for 45 minutes each, and the break time for 15 minutes each. Also, there is one non-measurable to-do for 45 minutes. I think this is a good system that I can use to track what I'm doing during the day, and also will help me to concentrate on the important tasks that I should do. Now I'm using mulberry papers and the vellum papers to decorate my pages. I also use the beautiful handmade paper in this setup as well. After finishing the collage, I'm cutting out the extra papers from the pages. Then I'm placing the title sticker from the printable on the top of the page. Next is the goal setting spread. This idea is from Hakim as well. I'm using the French door style to make these spreads. It's very fun to flip the pages and make each week on 1 page. At the same time, I can still see my main goals and the milestones on the top to remind myself to stick with my goals. This is my first time trying the French door style in my 2.5 years of bullet journaling. I may try more of this fun style next time. If you like this video, please show some love to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, please click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with a new video. I'm really thankful for your support and the encouragement to my channel and my videos. It means so much to me. I'm gluing and layering the texture papers onto the page. Then I'm placing the design elements on the top. There are 3 sections for 3 different goals. On each of them, I'm writing down the milestones. Then each week, I'm writing down the weekly goals and the action taken. This system looks pretty good. I bet it will really help me to have a productive month. I'm placing the textured papers, then stick the design elements and a quote from the Tender Floral Printable I created on top of these textured papers. Then I'm drawing some frame lines around the quote. Please leave your thoughts in the comments to let me know if you like this kind of style. Then I'm using these Making Memories Word Fatty stickers to put in some cute vibes onto my page design. I put a link in the description if you are interested to use this too. Lastly is the one line a day spread. I want to write down the things I'm grateful for and record some important moments that brighten my days. I feel it's very fun to layer the texture papers, and it's pretty therapeutic for me. Then I'm sticking the title sticker on the top. And the notepad's design elements on the right side of the page. I'm using the monthly date strip from one of the sticker sheets I made to put on these 1 to 30 numbers for the days of the month. I really like this kind of sticker, so I will make more of these stickers in the future. Then I'm using the corner cutter to cut off the extra papers on the pages to finish the look. Don't forget to check out this tender floral themed printable. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using it too. I will be uploading the last videos for my April layout with my April weekly spreads very soon. There are all the different layout weekly designs for this month. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!